Hello everybody. Just a little public service announcement for you all. If you don't have shop filtration, you need it. I installed a couple of box fan filters the other day, and this is after 1 day of use. Just basic shop stuff, nothing special. Let me turn this around. Look at how dirty that is. Just look at that compared to a clean filter. That's crazy. Do yourself a favor. Save your lungs. Put up some filters. I built 3 of these. I've got running in the shop, and I noticed the difference right away. Not so much myself, but just how dirty these filters got. I didn't think I had a problem. I just wanted to do something to upgrade the shop a little bit, and I was amazed. What I've got, I'm using a MERV 8 filter. I've got them stacked. I got a MERV 8, I'm sorry, a MERV 6, an 8, and a 13. So progressive, so I try to filter out as much as I can with the cheaper filters before it gets down to the 13. These are just basic 20-inch box fans, 20-inch square filters, and there's hundreds of videos online on YouTube on how to build these, so I'm not going to go into that. Just use some plywood, about a half a sheet of plywood. I built 3 of these, worked out to about around $45 a piece. Filters, fans, plywood, and I'm going to buy some remote control countdown timers so that I can turn them on and then have it run for a little while after I leave the shop. But just want to give you guys all a heads up. Do yourselves a favor. Put some filters in your shop. Save your lungs. Bye.